When I think about the term game changers or game changer, I think about an individual or leader who's able to bring calm and clarity out of chaos and uncertainty. When I think about the landscape of American society, for me, the most significant game changer legislation would be the Affordable Care Act that is now currently before the Supreme Court. It has such landmark implications for our nation as it relates to the provision and expanded coverage of care, not for those who are poor and uninsured, but for all Americans. When we think about our economy and trying to assure America's superiority or its confidence in its economic system, I think there needs to be a concerted effort to reform our education system in this nation. We need to focus on pre-K or early childhood education so that every young person in America has the opportunity to pursue the American dream. I was inspired to be a civil rights and a healthcare advocate from an early age. I had so many positive mentors in my life who challenged me to make a difference. When I think about what I wanted to do for the future and the positive impact that those who've gone before me, I think each of us have a responsibility and an obligation to give something back to our community. I am a civil rights advocate and a healthcare advocate, and I truly believe that courage cannot skip this generation. The principles that guide me in the work that I do is really to have a focus on the 4 agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. And it really is, don't take anything personal, don't make assumptions, be prepared, do your best. And so as I walk through life, I also reflect on Jeremiah 29:11 that's in the Bible. It says, "For I know the plans I have for you, saith the Lord, plans to give you future and hope." That's what guides me throughout my life. When I think about recommendations for improving the economy and spurring jobs, I think we need to have a concerted effort and focus on reforming our education system to ensure that every American child has the access to a good, solid public education, and that from that platform, they're able to aspire and dream impossible dreams. We need to think at the higher levels about job training and reinvesting in small businesses and minority-owned businesses if, in fact, America is to return as an economic global leader.